Nice. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the April BoxyCharm. Full disclosure, I get BoxyCharm in PR, so thank you so much BoxyCharm for sending me this. But I thought I would do an unboxing for the first time in like ever, so let's unbox this month. This is a thinner box than usual, but bigger, so I don't know anything that's coming in this box, so let's open her up. Okay, so festival vibes. You know, if only they were, I probably won't use this, so hey, here's a discount code. Festival vibes are always, you know, fun. If I could open this with one hand. Okay, this tells us what we got, so I don't want to go through that yet. I just want to open and see. Well, evidently we get a makeup eraser. Okay, what? Okay, basically, I got a little note saying, hey, you gotta make it clear of my relationship with BoxyCharm. So, hashtag gifted by BoxyCharm. Okay, first off, we got this illuminator that, let's be honest, is gonna be way too dark for my pasty ass skin. But, you know, totally fine. It happens. I love the Professional. I was really hoping that I was gonna get the hydrating one, but evidently not. Little disappointing, but I do like this one, so I'm always down for the Professional, I guess. These brushes are adorable. They definitely scream festival season, even though none of us are gonna be going to festivals. Y'all know what I mean. This is from Lavish. I love colorful brushes, so I'm excited about this. I will like take the products out. Oh, okay, so we got an eyeshadow palette and it's called Caramel Melange. Lord knows I don't know that. Also, excuse my voice. I got a sore throat, so excuse how deep my voice sounds. I kind of have a feeling that this palette's gonna be too neutral for me, but we'll unbox it and see. And ooh, gel paint. I mean, I'm down for that. Okay, so let's open these. So the gel paints are basically just gel pencil eyeliners. The pink is gorgeous. I really like it, and definitely screams festival season. The blue, quality wise, isn't the best, but I still think it'll be nice. But definitely the pink is more up my alley, and that is by Illuminati. Okay, dope. I'm actually really excited about that. Let's look at this eyeshadow palette. The packaging's gorgeous. I definitely enjoy the packaging. So let's get a first impression opening. Oh, that's not bad. I thought it was going to be super duper neutral, which it is, but I don't know, it's cute. It's definitely still more neutral than I would typically use. In person, I don't know why on video it's getting washed out so bad. But it's not this cool toned, if that makes sense. Right here you guys can kind of see how it looks IRL. I like that shade, but I don't know. I'm not a neutral palette type of girl. If you followed me for a while, you know that. This is beautiful, but it's just not my type of palette. But that's kind of what happens with BoxyCharm. It can sometimes be hit or miss palette-wise. This is beautiful, and I'm definitely intrigued by Zoeva, but I don't know. It's just not my type of palette. And definitely considering this is supposed to be festival themed, I don't know how a neutral palette is festival to me. I personally would have recommended Boxy to do like a bright palette with some neutrals, but I don't know. So this, I think, is kind of a miss. Color-wise, I just don't think it screams festival. But that being said, it's still fine. But but not for me. So then let's open these brushes. Okay, get on out there, beach. Doing stuff with one hand is so annoying. Okay, one sec. So the brush brand is Lavish, and these brushes are gorgeous. I definitely feel festival vibes. Other than the gel liners, I definitely think that these are the other festival sort of product. But I don't know, like, I personally like this brush set. I like that you get a nice thin liner brush. I would definitely use pot liners with that. And then you have like an angled liner or brow brush. I definitely think that this is a nice variety, and I definitely think the colors are definitely festival-esque. This is probably one of my favorite things in the box this month. Oh, so I guess that we just get a 20% off makeup eraser thing. So, I mean, hey, use that if you want to get one. Honestly, I'll open this highlighter, but I mean, I know it's gonna be too dark for me. Yeah, that's like I'm the pastiest MFer here, so let's, yeah. I mean, if I want to look like I got punched. Okay, if it would focus. It's not horrible, but yeah, no. Not for me, unfortunately. If they would have given me a shade that would go with my skin tone, I would have been a lot happier, but oh well. That's how Boxy can be sometimes, hit or miss. I do have a BoxyCharm affiliate link down below. I don't know if I make commission or not, honestly. I've haven't shared my Boxy link in ages. But yeah, I'll find it. Okay, so let's go through what we got. We got the Benefit Professional, Zoeva Eyeshadow Palette, Iconic London Illuminator, the five-piece brush collection, and the gel paint duo. Honestly, this month is okay. There's been better, there's been worse. As I said, I am excited for the brushes and the liners, but honestly, the palettes and it's just the palette and highlighter just won't work for me. Highlighter is too dark, palette is just too neutral. I also don't think the palette is very festival vibes. That being said, I do think BoxyCharm is worth it. I have bought if I could speak, that'd be great. I have bought BoxyCharm before myself, many times. I think I had it for a good 2 years. I think it's worth it, but keep in mind that sometimes there are going to be products that you just don't want. I do like that they changed the system so that you have BoxyCharm, BoxyLush, blah blah. Again, I can't speak. You have different tiers depending on how much you can afford and what sort of products you like. I mean, personally, last month they sent me 3 boxes, which I was so grateful for. And I am still grateful that they send me the boxes every month, and I definitely don't mind doing unboxings. I just do wish that PR-wise they would cater to our skin color and stuff like that. But besides that, it's all good. I just don't think that a caramel palette is very festival. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. If you enjoyed, go subscribe, follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO. As I said, I will leave my affiliate link to BoxyCharm down below. Use it if you like. If not, just go sign up for BoxyCharm if you want it. It retails for this month. No, it retails for this much on the screen. Per month. They have different tiers though, so definitely go check out the website and you can figure that all out. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi. Hi. Hi, sweet boy. Oh, did I get a box? Oh, I did. Did I get my BoxyCharm? Oh, my goodness. Oh, yes, I know. Hi. He's just moving his toesies. It's just your pie. You don't gotta be scared. Oh, aren't you tough, huh? Are you a tough boy? You? You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, you're a good boy. Well, it's okay. You says hi, Pa. He says, nope. Oh, boy, what are you? Oh, okay. I don't think your butt can fit in that box, you know. You're trying really hard to sit on that. Oh, okay. You got it? I know you like BoxyCharm boxes. I know. Any boxes that you can get. Oh, okay. Nice. Nice job. Really. Such a good job, boy. Gamma should be home right away. Yes, she should. Oh my goodness. Okay. Like, oh, I don't like that. Hi. Hi. Well, sniffs. Hey. Hi, yeah, that's Pa. Yeah, that's your papa. Yeah, that's your papa. He's